The Testarossa name occupies a special place in Ferrari's history, always linked to engines born on the racetrack. In Italian, Testarossa means redhead, a reference to the scarlet-painted cam covers that Ferrari applied to its racing engines even before the 1950s. Although many Ferraris of that era featured these red covers, Ferrari only introduced Testarossa as an official nameplate in the 1950s, rather than simply using it to mark the redhead engines. By bringing the name back for the new Ferrari 849, Maranello once again connects its latest creation to a legacy of innovation and performance rooted firmly in racing DNA. The Ferrari 849 Testarossa carries the weight of its name. Just as the Testarossa of the 1980s broke away from the original 1950s cars, the new 849 also takes a radical departure from its predecessors. Enthusiasts, when thinking of the Testarossa, they expect design cues like the pop-up headlights and, most importantly, the signature side strakes. In the 1980s, those strakes didn't serve as decoration. They forced air into massive air intakes and at the same time tried to blend the size of those intakes with the body. Many fans still want Ferrari to revive those elements, but the 849 instead draws inspiration from experimental prototypes of the 1970s. With this approach, Ferrari redefines what a modern Testarossa looks like and uses the name as a sign of racing focus, its original meaning, rather than a simple stylistic homage. The 849 Testarossa borrows its design directly from Ferrari's 1970s prototypes, not for nostalgia but for pure aerodynamics. Every surface works to improve downforce and cooling. Sculpted doors with channels that drive air into the side intakes increase airflow efficiency by 30% over the SF90 and feed in the intercoolers, rear brakes, and engine intake. This solution echoed the functional surfaces of the 512S and 512M. 20L fins, also inspired by those prototypes, add 10% of the rear downforce. Ferrari equips the 849 with an active rear spoiler evolved from the SF90 and 296, giving the car adaptive aerodynamic balance. At the front, Ferrari nods to the 1980s with a flat nose that recalls the classic Testarossa era. The powertrain of the 849 Testarossa shows Ferrari's relentless refinement of its V8 hybrid technology. Engineers kept the displacement of the SF90 but extracted an extra 49 horsepower by fitting larger turbochargers with advanced heat management. They offset the weight of those turbos with lighter camshafts and titanium screws, improving the car's power-to-weight ratio by 10% compared to the SF90. Ferrari also redesigned the exhaust system to boost both performance and emotion. The manifolds now measure 20% wider in diameter, stretch 10% longer, and withstand extreme temperatures, giving the V8 a sharper and more resonant voice. Ferrari also sharpened the electric system for consistent performance and a more natural driving experience. Engineers improved thermal management so the hybrid unit delivers maximum output without overheating, even under extended track sessions. They recalibrated regenerative braking to make pedal feel seamless and intuitive, removing artificial sensation that plagues many hybrids. Together, the V8 and electric motors unleash 1036 horsepower and 842 Nm of torque, making the 849 Testarossa one of the most powerful and advanced road cars Ferrari has ever built. Inside, the cabin of the 849 Testarossa focuses entirely on the driver. Ferrari places all the controls ergonomically so the driver can operate them intuitively and without distraction. The seating position, steering wheel, and switch layout keep the driver fully engaged, making the car feel like a natural extension of the body and emphasizing the 849's racing spirit. The 849 Testarossa may not outshine the SF90 in terms of a modern design, but it excels in character and performance. Ferrari blends its racing heritage with innovative engineering to deliver a thrilling driving experience. In the end, the 849 proves that a car can impress through harsh power and precision even if it challenges traditional expectations. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.